Okay. Hello, happy people. Um, I did not plan on making a video today. I was like, okay, I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday fun day and just prep and get organized and situated for this spectacular weekend, which is a Super Bowl weekend. Broncos and Buccaneers and Kansas City Chief, right? So this was gonna be my private meal. So if you can look here, I made a water-based solution that I um, fortunately stuck my wings in. So right now you can't really see it because I just put my finishing touch on it. The finishing touch on there is cayenne pepper and two secret ingredients that I'm somewhat a little on edge or uneasy to release, but I'll give one of the second one. It's ginger. So what I did, I made um, a base with this right here. So basically, let me hit pause for a sec. Okay, I made a meat tenderizer and lemon chicken water base, which is the base down there that I'm going to use to possibly make quinoa, steamed rice, or a soup, or maybe I'm gonna use that to make burger patties or something to marinate steak or pork chops in. I'm not so sure what I'm going with that, but it's just to basically give you an idea. It's like a broth that I made in the oven. So I baked that together. So I made this thing last night. I think I put fresh cilantro, thyme, mint leaves in there. So I just cook it for like 2 hours. Just make water for 2 hours because I was like, okay, I want to make a famous chicken wing that, you know, I'm in the devil's workshop. I'm always trying to come up with something different. I never go follow conventional way of cooking. If I try to cook with a cooking book, halfway through or 75% or 90% getting close to the finish line, I'm gonna put my own spin on it because I feel like, you should be able to be creative with whatever you're going to eat. Allow your eyes, your stomach, your taste bud, your saliva, and your stomach to like guide you through the process. Like, yeah, it's perfectly normal to follow somebody's recipe and just go on that magical carpet ride. I have done that plenty of times. Now I'm just at the point now where I've learned from culinary experts that they're like, food is meant to be played with. It's like, a masterpiece, like doing a painting. So, what they do, it's like they say, when I was in taking art classes, they were like, "You're a brilliant artist. Don't go too in depth in detail in studying art because all they're trying to do is basically teach you how to be like the ones that came before you." So they were like, the real beauty about art is just going with your instinct. And for me, cooking, the culinary experience is a form of art. So yeah, it's my Picasso that goes in my tummy. My taste buds and my eyes and my fingers and all that stuff get to tell me how fantastic and awesome the food is. So I will hit pause, stick this bad boy back in the oven. So what I did, I got a little distracted there. What I did, I just basically stick the chicken in that broth and cooked it for 2 hours. So now what I'm gonna do, now that they're almost cooked, I'm extract them from the broth. I put my dry rub on top of it and I stick them back in. So I had to do the other side. Unfortunately, you can't see the other side. So now I'm gonna stick this in, and when it's close to the finish line, you'll either see it properly well done or you might not, because this is my Super Bowl day and I'm not in the mood to be doing a whole lot of this right here. I was just, all of a sudden it just hit me that this is something that I could share with someone that might appreciate it. All right, bon appetit, mon chéri. Don't eat your fingernails and watch out, don't bite your fingers as well. Good luck to those that are going to be celebrating the Super Bowl event today. And let's send positive vibration to the players out there so that They all get to play their hearts out, and kudos to the ones that win, and kudos to the guys that don't, and just let them know that there will always be next year. I don't even think I'm gonna give you guys a snapshot of the finish. Sorry, this is it. All right, over and out. Rocky Mountain time, baby.